mo?
Bakit nang may makeup?
Dad, just Barbie girl makeover lang. Mom,
That's not a makeover. That's real one.
Mom,
Yeah, patingin.
Mom,
Patingin mo na yung glitters.
that's glitter. Just color white.
Who said you need to put that?
Mommy,
And
don't.
what did Daddy said?
Dame.
Hmm.
I want tissue.
No, hindi na matatanggal yan. Okay lang yan.
Because
So say it, it's okay.
no, because it's not good. Right, Dad?
Yes, of course.
Don't see again.
Oh, wag ka na maglalagay ulit yan ha. Wag mo kukunin sa bag ko yan ha. Hey, that's mine.
Let's share together for Daddy and you.
What?
No, nag-toothbrush ka na, di ba?
I'm not.
Oh, sige na, toothbrush ka na doon.
I don't like to brush.
Ay!
I want to read tissue.
Ayun.
Why?
Because I don't like to be glitter again.
Because Daddy said.
No.
Hmm.
I told you. Glitter's for...
Eh, ba't naglagay ka?
I thought you want it.
Because I don't like it. I want Bobby to make over lang.
Not the real thing.
That's the real thing. Yes, Dad?
Of course.
Hindi na matanggal. Oh.
Baka mapunta sa mata.
Hindi okay lang yan. Pang ice nga yan eh.
No. Look that. Don't see again. Okay?
Dami.
Dame. Mommy, you know to do it again, okay?
Ikaw kaya, oh. Tapos kukunin niya daddy, oh.
No, you did the Kuma again.
O, kanino ba yan? Kanino yan? Kaninong makeup yon?
You.
Oh, sa akin pala, ba't ginamit mo?
Where's my brush?
I don't know.
What brush?
Because like this. Brush, brush, brush. That's good.
Ang dami mo pang glitter sa eyes.
No, just for cheeks. Bobby girl. That just don't.
Daddy nagmi-makeup yan pag wala ka.
Hmm?
Dad, just wait. Wait just a second. Dad, go together and sit down. Bobby girl. Dad,
Hindi Barbie girl yan, daddy.
that's Bobby girl. See, I told you. Look, that. That's for girls. Little girls and big girls. See?
Did you drink your vitamins na?
I don't like my medicine. I'm not sick.
Anong I don't sick?
Dad, we're all together.
Anong I don't sick, daddy, oh?
Dad, we're all together. Dad, Mommy, don't get my iPad. Hey!
Open it. Tama na. Crying with makeup. Ayoko na. Wala ka dyan.
Kanino bang iPad to? Ay, lalaksan mo pa? Sige. O, say babay mo na dito. Ah, sorry na, sorry. Oh, ano ba yan? Ala!
Napayak mo.
Isa pa, blow pa. May sipon ka?
Like on a trunk.
Nahawa ka?